The enduring art of healing, balancing art, science, and technology in patient care. The rise of AI in medicine presents a wealth of exciting possibilities for diagnosis, treatment, and preventative care. However, it's crucial to remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for the human touch. The future of medicine lies not in the cold efficiency of algorithms, but in the harmonious integration of technology with the enduring art of healing. By prioritizing customized common-sense care, delivered with empathy and respect, physicians can continue to build strong therapeutic relationships with their patients and ensure that even in the age of high-tech medicine, the human element remains at the forefront. In the end, it is the trust, compassion, and genuine care that a physician offers that truly sets the stage for healing and empowers patients to take an active role in their own well-being. This enduring art of medicine will forever be our guiding light, for it is through this human connection that physicians can not only heal the body, but also ignite the spark of hope and resilience within the hearts of their patients.